couple days ago, we received these, the Goggles 2. We've been having a lot of fun flying the Avata with the V2 goggles. But the one thing I really didn't like about the V2 was that I couldn't record the telemetry. And apparently with the Goggles 2, now you can screen record everything. So today I'm going to try and go through the menu and record some of that, and then do a little bit of flying and see if it's that much clearer or that much better than the V2. So let's turn the goggles on and check them out. I want to get flying because it's about 20 after 4, and unfortunately it starts getting dark around here between 4:30 and 5. So that's not going to give us much time for flying here. So let's get this new fresh battery in there. Okay, so let's get her on. Okay. Yeah, let's get her in the air because I really want to see how these goggles are. You know, they're definitely a lot smaller than the V2. Okay, how are they? Okay, they seem okay.
There must be lights burning brighter somewhere. Got to be birds flying higher in a sky more blue. If I can dream of a better land where all my brothers walk hand in hand, tell me why, oh why, oh why can't my dream come true? Oh, why? There must be peace and understanding sometime. Strong winds of promise that will blow away the doubt and fear. If I can dream of a warmer sun where hope keeps shining on everyone, tell me why, oh why, oh I want that sun appear. We're lost in a cloud with too much rain. We're trapped in a world that's troubled with pain. But as long as a man has the strength to dream, he can redeem his soul and fly. He can fly. Deep in my heart there's a trembling question. Still I am sure that the answer's gonna come.